Today I am going to teach do as direct. It is a practice exercise. In this, I am going to explain how to combine the sentence with so that, to, no sooner than, as soon as, if, unless. Here is the sentence. As soon as he knew my result, he informed me. Rewrite the sentence using no sooner than. The rule for the no sooner than is that first of all we will see which type of tense is this one. This is your past tense. So we have to use did in while writing in no sooner than. The answer will be no sooner did. As soon as we have removed, we have written no sooner. Then knew is there, so we are writing did. He knew. First form we have to use, that is know my result. Remove comma, then he informed me. हमें सबसे पहले यहाँ पर देखना है कौन सा टेंस है, दैट इज न्यू, ये आपका पास्ट टेंस है, इसलिए हम डिड लगाएंगे. एज सून एज को हटाएंगे और नो सूनर लगाएंगे. नो सूनर डिड ही नो, न्यू का फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिया हमने, नो माय रिजल्ट, देन ही इन्फॉर्म्ड मी. नेक्स्ट वन, नो सूनर डज द प्यून रिंग द बेल देन द स्टूडेंट्स गो टू देयर क्लासेस. Rewrite the sentence using as soon as. अब यहाँ पर no sooner than हटाना है और उसकी जगह हमें as soon as लिखना है. Here, instead of no sooner, we will write as soon as the peon rings the bell. Now here, does is there, so we know that this is your present tense. So as soon as the peon rings, does हटाएंगे और peon is your first that is singular, इसलिए हम rings लिखेंगे, rings the bell, then हटाया कॉमा लगाया, the students go to their classes. Next one, as soon as the guard waved the green flag, the train started moving on. Now यहाँ पर हमें as soon as की जगह no sooner than लगाना है. As per rule, we have seen that this is the past tense. If this is a past tense, so we will write did here. यदि यहाँ waves होता तो हम does लगाते. Now you see it here. No sooner did the guard wave the green flag. Waved है, इसका first form लिखेंगे, D हट जाएगा. So the answer will be no sooner did the guard wave the green flag than the train started moving on. I suppose this. Next one. As soon as the boys saw the principal, they began silent. Rewrite using no sooner than. Now saw is your past tense. यहाँ saw past tense है, इसलिए हम did लगा देंगे. No sooner did the boy see, first form of the verb लगा, see the principal, comma हटा, then they began silent. Same sentence we have to use afterwards whatever it is given. I am repeating the sentence. No sooner did the boys see the principal than they began silent. If it has been asked, if the sentence is given this one, no sooner did the boys see the principal than they became silent, and here suppose it is written rewrite using as soon as, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको no sooner हटाएंगे, as soon as करेंगे. boys यहाँ हमने देख लिया did है, तो यहाँ पर ये verb आपका past tense हो जाएगा. As soon as the boys saw the principal, then हटा, comma लगाया, they became silent. Next one. As soon as he closes his eyes, the telephone rings. No sooner than. No sooner does he close his eyes than the telephone rings. Suppose यहाँ पर they है. Suppose sentence है as soon as they close his eyes. तो यहाँ पर do लगेगा, does नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि does हम singular के साथ यूज करते हैं और plural के साथ हम do यूज करते हैं in the present tense. Now here we have to combine the sentence using so that, to. First one, his brother is very studious. He rarely gets time for entertainment. You have to rewrite using so that. His brother is so studious. Instead of very, we will write so studious. that he rarely gets time for entertainment. Next one, the student is very fast, he can win the race. So that the student is so fast, very की जगह हमने so लगाया, so fast that he can win the race. Student इतना fast है कि वो race को जीत सकता है. Next one, he is so weak that he cannot walk anymore. We have to rewrite using to. He is too weak. So की जगह हमने to किया, too weak to walk. वो इतना वीक है कि वो वॉक नहीं कर सकता. सेम ईयर, वो इतना वीक है कि वो वॉक नहीं कर सकता. नेक्स्ट वन, he was very weak that he could not walk. He was too weak to walk. Next one, he is too weak to stand. So that he is so weak that he cannot stand. Next one, Suresh is too deaf to hear the thunder. So that Suresh is so deaf that he cannot hear the thunder. Now, while changing from to so that, then here the second sentence will be negative. जब भी हम to जो सेंटेंस दिया है उसको अब रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं सो दैट से, तो सेकंड सेंटेंस ये हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि ये नेगेटिव में आएगा. द टी इज टू हॉट फॉर हिम टू ड्रिंक. नाउ यहाँ पर हिम दिया है तो हम क्या करेंगे, द टी इज सो हॉट, टू की जगह सो लिखा, दैट ही कैन नॉट ड्रिंक इट. नाउ यहाँ पर ही हमने इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि यहाँ पर हिम है. यदि यहाँ पर हर होता तो यहाँ पर हम शी लिखते. यहाँ पर सपोज अस होता तो ये वी हो जाता, देम होता तो दे हो जाता. नेक्स्ट वन, द डॉग इज टू वीक टू वॉक. द डॉग इज सो वीक दैट इट कैन नॉट वॉक. नेक्स्ट वन, replace of unless in place of if and replace of if in place of unless. हमें unless की जगह if यूज करना है और if की जगह unless यूज करना है. फर्स्ट वन, if it rains we will not play. यदि बारिश हुई तो हम नहीं खेलेंगे. अब इसे रिप्लेस करना है unless से. if की जगह हमने unless लगा दिया, unless it rains we will play. यदि बारिश नहीं हुई तो हम खेलेंगे. ये नॉट हट गया है और ये पॉजिटिव हो गया है. और we will play unless it rains. हम खेलेंगे यदि बारिश नहीं हुई. Unless already means negative. Next one, if you hire a taxi you can catch the train. Unless you hire a taxi you cannot catch the train. आपने यदि टैक्सी हायर की होती तो अब ट्रेन पकड़ ली होती. यहाँ पर आपने टैक्सी हायर नहीं की है तो आप ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे. If he does not have time he will not help you. Replace with unless. Unless he has time. अब ये does not है, already that means that हमने unless लिख दिया, that means हमें ये not हटाना है. Unless he has time he will not help you. ये second sentence as it is रहेगा. या फिर he will not help you unless he has time. Next one, unless you speak the truth you will not be pardoned. इसे हमें replace करना है if से. unless हटाना है और if से लिखना है. if you speak the truth you will be pardoned. now यहाँ पर मीनिंग देखिए, अनलेस यू स्पीक द ट्रुथ, जब तक आप ट्रुथ नहीं बोलेंगे आपको माफी नहीं मिलेगी. अब इसे जब हम इफ से लिख रहे हैं, इफ यू स्पीक द ट्रुथ, यदि आपने सच्चाई बोली, यू विल बी पार्डन, आपको माफी मिल जाएगी. मीन्स मीनिंग शुड बी सेम एंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट दैट वी हैव टू सी इट. Unless I have money I cannot buy this car. We have to rewrite using if. Instead of unless we are writing if. If I have money I will buy this car. Now we have to see that the meaning should not be changed. Unless I have money, जब तक मेरे पास पैसा नहीं होगा, I cannot buy this car. मैं इस कार को नहीं खरीद सकता. If I have money, यदि मेरे पास पैसा है तो मैं ये कार खरीद लूंगा. She will not get food. She washes the dishes. Unless she washes the dishes, she will not get food. Or she will not get food unless she washes dishes. Next one. If they do not work properly, they will be punished. Unless they do work properly. अब ये not है, हमने if को unless में replace किया है, already negative हो गया इसलिए not हटेगा. Unless they do work properly, they will not be punished. यहाँ पर ये negative form आ गया है. I suppose you must have understood. Thank you everyone.